Millions of people around the world struggle with acne and skin conditions that impact their confidence and mental health. This is coupled with diseases like skin cancer. In fact, 85% of people will experience acne at some point in their lives, and unfortunately, this is the cause for distress for teens and adults alike. And the worst part of this is that many people don't even know how to treat acne and are inevitably left behind. This is why I made FaceTime, an AI face analysis web application that can scan your skin and find out the type and severity of the acne you have. Through this, users can view specific, personalized treatment tips based on the types of pimples found on their face. And in order to encourage users, the app has a built in time machine, allowing people to see their faces before and after using FaceTime. This promotes engagement and motivates users on their skincare journey. So I'm going to be offering up a quick demo of the FaceTime web application. You can access this demo at facetime-machine.netlify.app, and when you open the website, you'll be greeted with a home screen that shows you the title of the application and a brief description of what we do. When you scroll down, you can learn a little bit about more, like how we're doing this, and also a few of our key benefits like innovation, progress, and security. And once you're done reading through this, you could click this button to start your FaceTime journey, or you could go back up and click Get Started up here. You could also change the theme, but I'm not going to do that. Let's press Get Started. So now you'll be greeted with the login page, and you can also create an account. So I'm just going to create an arbitrary account. And once you create an account, you'll be greeted with a dashboard, which essentially shows you your score and your progress over time. Your score is essentially how good the quality of your face is. Let's click Upload Picture to upload a picture of a face. So let's just click today's date because this is the day we're filming this. And if you upload a picture of anyone's face, you can see the skin score. It's from 1 to 100, so 66 is pretty mediocre. And you can also see the specific areas their pimples are located, and also the types and amount of pimples that they have. So for example, we can see we have 10 papules, which are a type of pimple, 2 pustules, and 6 comedones. And this basically allows us to see the exact types of acne and the types of pimples that we have in our face. And this is super useful because we can have specific feedback based on the types of pimples we have in our face. So for example, to target the papules, which are basically these red bumps, you could just use gentle exfoliants and benzoyl peroxide creams to reduce the inflammation located on their face. So using these literal specific recommendations based on the types of pimples that they have, users can vastly improve their skin quality quickly and efficiently. And once they're done looking at this, they can go back to home. They can see the skin score, the most recent image, and as well the current feedback and recommendations that they have. And in order to see the progress tracker, we have to upload a few more images over time. So let's just click one for 5/19. Let's analyze this image. You can see our skin score improve. Let's do one for 5/20. Again, our skin score is improving. And let's do one for 5/21. And if you go back to home, you could see our most recent image. And you could also see our progress tracker literally show the graph of how our skin score is improving over time. And this is super motivating because you can see a positive slope, which really motivates users to keep improving their skin score. Now we can also go to the time machine, which allows us to see the before and the after images. You could drag this slider before and after. And this kind of allows us to see the pimples disappear in real time, which is super motivating and allows us to actually see how our progress is allowing our skin to become better. And if you want to download any image at any scan, you could just click this button right here and click a date and click download image. And that's it. I'm Krish, and thanks for watching the demonstration. I hope FaceTime is able to help you on your skincare journey.